Yo, creatives, welcome back to the channel. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually enjoying sitting in my house because I'd rather be in here, not spending money, not blowing gas money, not doing all these things and being around all these people in the crib, understanding myself, spending time with me, getting some me time, getting some down creative time to think. It took me a second to get to that point, but I'm there now. At first I was like, oh my God, I can't go nowhere. This is so weird, It was definitely weird for a second, but now that I think about it, I'm actually really enjoying it. So today we're gonna be talking about my secrets on how to get good quality on Instagram. Something you guys have been asking for a minute. All right, so my first secret to getting good quality on Instagram when I upload a photo is don't crop the photo smaller. So sometimes people will crop a photo down smaller at a really small resolution or dimension size, which can really affect the quality when you upload it to the Instagram platform. You don't wanna do this. You wanna export out at the highest dimension possible to get that good quality. So yes, exporting it out at a really large resolution is gonna be a bigger file size, which is gonna be more memory taken up on your hard drive. But if you want that good quality on Instagram, you gotta stop exporting out at a low resolution or a smaller dimension. It's gotta be big, because once you upload to Instagram, it will compress it a little bit. So you want it to be really huge compressed rather than really small and compressed. If you're gonna crop photos for Instagram, make sure that you do the right dimensions. So you could do anywhere 1280 by 1280 and up for a square. If you wanna do the portrait tall size photo for Instagram, you could do 1200 by 1500. And then if you're gonna export something out to post on your IG story, you might as well just export as is, put it on your phone, and then scale it on your phone screen. All right, so we just talked about number 2 as well, kinda. You wanna export your photos out at the actual size that you took them. So here on my Canon 1DX Mark II, I might take a photo, I take them in RAW, I don't take them in JPEG format, and I believe the size is around 5000 by 4000 or something really huge. I export that photo from Lightroom out at that size. I don't go in and resize it on the export and make it like 1000 by 800. That's way too small. I need it to be exported out at 5K or 6K, the big resolution size that photo is actually taken in. Like I said, you want it to be compressed at a higher size than a smaller size. Okay, number 3, on video size. So when you're making a video or editing a video, you want it to be in the proper dimensions. Like I said before, on the photo side, if you want to make one of those videos at the tall vertical IG post, you want to do it 1200 by 1500. Obviously at 24 frames per second on your export. If you want to do a square, you could do anything 1280 by 1280 and up. So you could do 2000 by 2000. That's a really high resolution. You want it to be bigger, uploaded and then compressed, not small, uploaded and then compressed, because it then becomes really small. We don't want really small. We want high quality. Or you could just export it out at 1920 by 1080 or a 4K actual clip and upload it into your Instagram and push that little button and make it widescreen. Personally, I like using the 1200 by 1500, that tall vertical post, because it's just big, fills up your screen, and you can't miss it when you're scrolling down IG. Number 4, if you didn't edit it on your phone and you edit it on your computer, you want to make sure you transfer that file to your phone the proper way to get the full quality. I personally use AirDrop. I have an iMac back there, as you can see, and I have an iPhone X. So I transfer using AirDrop, perfect, no quality loss, straight to my phone. So if you don't use Apple to Apple, I suggest that you use Dropbox. Dropbox is a great app for you to use. You can upload the file onto Dropbox on your computer, then get on your phone and get on the app and download that high quality file to upload to Instagram. All right, last but not least, the 5th secret to me getting good quality on Instagram is to use, phone almost dropped, sorry. No, seriously, the 5th secret to getting good quality on Instagram is to use good service or use Wi-Fi. So if you're in an area with bad service and you're trying to upload a file to Instagram, it's definitely gonna affect the quality. So having good service or being on Wi-Fi just provides a higher quality upload. That way the speed's good, it's at a consistent upload rate, it's not going a little bit and then stopping, a little bit more and then stopping. Be on good service or be on Wi-Fi to get a good, sharp, high quality upload. So those are the 5 secrets that I use to get good quality on Instagram. I hope that they helped you. I'm pretty satisfied with the way things look on my uploads. If this video helped you out or those secrets came in handy for you, slap that like button. Drop me a comment down below if you have any other questions on Instagram quality. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible, because you know we're still quarantined. Yeah, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I got some cool videos coming up too, so be ready. Peace.